In the heart of Venice Beach, California, where artistic souls have sought inspiration for generations, a new haven is born. Electric Bowery partnered with a couple deeply rooted in the arts to create a space that ignites their creative spirit. The search began with a quest for the perfect balance. A place that offered the energy of Venice Beach alongside the tranquility of a personal sanctuary. Ultimately, they found an oversized lot with ample space to create a unique haven. Inspired by traditional haciendas and modern family compounds, the design emphasized light-filled spaces that unfolded into the gardens. Limestone and travertine finishes flowed from the exterior walls to interior details, creating a cohesive environment. Large custom windows framed each view, fostering a connection with the surrounding greenery. Upon entering the gates, a sense of serenity washes over you. Meandering pathways wind through the property, connecting architectural elements and creating a hidden oasis. LA-based landscape architects Terremoto used select specimen trees to soften the built environment, highlighting the warmth of the architecture. Inside, the story unfolds through handcrafted millwork, designed by Electric Bowery. Bleached oak and a bold indigo ebony finish set the stage for a unique yet timeless interior. The simplicity of the architecture is elevated by meticulous detailing, ensuring a cohesive flow throughout the entire space. Lighting fixtures by Apparatus Studio serve a dual-purpose functional illumination and sculptural design elements. Interior plaster finishes in warm whites are accented with subtle blush tones and unexpected pops of turquoise. This playful palette reflects the vibrant landscape outside, creating a feeling of a lush retreat within the walls.